Hello there! In this brief guide, we'll demonstrate how to access and modify your Kahoot channel. First, navigate to your homepage and find the Verified Profile section. Click on Add Content. Then choose the channel you wish to edit. Notice the small pencil icons. These indicate editable sections. Adding a new section is always an option. You can do that by clicking Add New Section at the bottom of your channel. It could be a resources section with mixed content, or a single course with its activities displayed in a row. Let's add a course section. After selecting your course, click Add. Remember, you have the flexibility to drag and move sections around, and add or remove content as you see fit. To remove a section, simply click on the trash bin icon. A confirmation prompt will appear. You'll also have the option to adjust the settings. To do that, click the gear wheel icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Once you've updated your channel, don't forget to save your changes. Click the arrow in the top left corner of the screen to go back to your verified profile. This is how you can access and edit your existing Kahoot channel using a web browser. If you want to edit on Kahoot app, log into your account. Click on your avatar icon in the top left corner of the screen. Click View Profile. Then scroll down to find your channels. Click on the channel and adjust to your liking like in the web. Click the pencil icon to edit the title and description if needed. Save if you provided any changes. Click the plus to add content. Select the course and click Add. Drag and move the sections if need to reorganize your channel. Now you know how to find and edit your channels both on the web platform and in the app. Thank you for watching. Remember to leave a comment, thumbs up, and subscribe. Enjoy Kahooting!